Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow reduce loud sounds on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, we scroll down and then in here, tap on screen time. Next, we go down and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then go down to the allow changes section and then tap on reduce loud sounds. Now you can select between allow or don't allow. So don't allow reduce loud sounds or allow reduce loud sounds. And that's it. Select one of the options. Then tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.